Hello, welcome to Adam Decodes Maths. My name is Adam and I am 9 years old. Today we will be learning how to multiply and divide algebraic terms. Let's start with multiplication. Here we have 2 times S. Let's say S stands for sweet. If I buy a sweet twice, how many sweets will I have in total? I will have 2 sweets. So 2 times S equals 2S. Let's look at another example. 4 times 2A. Let's say A stands for apple. If I buy 4 apples 2 times, that would make 8 apples. So 4 times 2A equals 8A. Another way of working this out is 4 times 2 times A. 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 times A equals 8A. Let's look at a third example. 6 times 2B. Start by multiplying the numbers. 6 times 2 equals 12 times B, which equals 12B. So the answer is 12B. Let's look at a fourth example. 5Q times 3. Multiply the numbers first. 5 times 3 equals 15. 15 times Q equals 15Q. So the answer is 15Q. Let's look at division now. 4M divided by 2. Let's say the M here stands for mango. If I share 4 mangoes between me and you, how many mangoes will each of us get? So 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So here we're dividing 4M by 2. So 4M divided by 2 equals 2M. Each of us will have 2 mangoes. Yummy! Let's look at another example. 6B divided by 3. Start by dividing the numbers first. 6 divided by 3 equals 2, but here we are dividing 6B by 3. So 6B divided by 3 equals 2B. I hope you've enjoyed multiplying and dividing algebraic terms with me. Hit the subscribe button now, share with all your families and friends, and like this video. Bye!